Okay, I think yes, I'm live. Okay, that's great. Now, coming over here. So I was talking about the cube of the number. So finding out cube of the number is very much requirement for many many reasons. The one is what is that simplification? Simplification. It's a very directly used. Now, I will say we don't have much uses of the cube of the number, except in the case of simplifications, cube and cube root of the number. These two things. One is cube, the other one is cube root of the number. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this cube or cube root of the number. So before that, let me have a small introductions. My name is Narendra Matta. I worked in the State Bank of India as clerk for 3 years. Then I resigned this because I got selected in Bank of Baroda as a provisionary officer. So I worked it over here for 7 years. 7 years. I think it is live. I think it is live. Yes. Here again, as a provisionary officer in Bank of Baroda, I worked for 7 years. And after leaving this, again, I started training the people from 1999 onwards for the different competitive exams, and including bank exam. So that's my favorite examination. And as I work with the Unacademy, so there is my referral code, that's Narendra07. So if someone new joins in Unacademy, please use this code Narendra07. You will be getting a 10% discount on the course fees. Now coming to our subject, how do we find out the square root of the number? Cube root of the number, cube of the number. I'm sorry. How to find out the cube of the number? Okay. So we are in this session, and I welcome all the people who have joined in this course. So here you can see that 12 cube. Although many of you must be knowing how to find out the 12 cube, but I have a problem to find out 18 cube. What if the 18 cube comes? I have a problem to find out 21 cube. What if 21 cube comes in the exam? So I will show you what comes in the exam. So we will learn this, how to find out the 12 cube of the number. With the smaller number, we will go for the other numbers also. So here there are four steps are there. The very first step is a unit digit. You take the one cube over here, and the one cube is nothing but 1. And then after that, we need to generate the two number. I will tell you how to generate the two number, and I will get the last number 1, and that is nothing but 2 cube, the unit digit cube, and that is 2 cube is nothing but 8. So the first thing, we need to frame these two numbers, and once we frame these two number, here it is 1 cube, that's 1, and here it is 8 cube, that is 8. And after that, I will take the ratio of that unit digit and 10 digit. That 10 digit is 1 and the unit digit is 2. Look at this one, 10 digit is 1 and the unit digit is 2. Take the ratio of this number, that is 1:2. So we will use this ratio to fill up these two number. We will use this ratio to fill up these two number. How do we fill up these two number? It is in 1:2 ratio. Then if this number is 1, this number should be 2. 1:2. So this number should be 2. So let's write down this number. This is 2. And as this number is 2, then again from this number to this number, I need to generate another number. And what is the base for generate the number? So this is the ratio, that is 1:2. So if this is one part, you take the two parts over here, 1:2. So 2 part will be 4. Now here, okay, 2 part will be 4. So I took the 4 here. After that, there is one more step is there. That is the number which you have generated, just double them. That is 2 double is 4. And the 4 double is 8. Just double them. And once you double it, your job is done. Your job is done. Now I will start adding it. This is 8. And this is 4 plus 8 is 12, carry 1. And then in 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1. That's how 1728. Many of you must be knowing it. How to find the 12 cube. What is 12 cube? 1728. But I don't know what is 62 cube. How do I get it? Chali, we'll together will find out 62 cube. So for that, what we do, we will take the 6 cube over here. That's my first number, and we will generate the two numbers, and the last number will be my unit digit cube. That's 2 cube. Let's begin here. So my first number is that 6 cube 216, and the last number is 2 cube, which is 8, and in between whatever the number is there should be formed by this 6 is to 2. In other words, 3 is to 1 ratio. Now you form the number in the ratio of 3 is to 1. So this is 3 parts. I need to make it 1 part. So divide this number by 3, you get the 1 part, that is 7 and 2, 72. So that is in the ratio 3 is to 1. Okay, from 72, I need the next number. So this number should also be in the ratio of 3 is to 2. So that's 72, divide by 3, you will get 1, 3 is to 1, 3 is to 1. So divide by 3, you get 1, so that is 24. And you will find that automatically this 24 and 8 will fall in 3 is to 1. It will automatically fall. You don't need to bother about that. Next, the number which you have generated, just double that. I change the color of those numbers. Just double that. 72 double is 144. The same way 24 double is 28. Now that's over. Now you start getting the result. You will start getting the result over here. How do you get the result here? Look at this one. This 8 will come as it is. 8 will come as it is. Okay. Now here we will take this 4 plus 8. We will not take the whole 24 plus 28. We will take the unit digit only. 4 plus 8, which is 12. Carry 1. Then what will happen to this 2 and 2? That will be carried forward. So that is this 2 plus 2 is 4. And thus 4 will be carried forward to here. 4 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus carry 1 is there, 11. So I should get 1 here, carry 1. I will repeat this point once again. So here this 2 and 2 is there, that will be carried forward for the next number, third number. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. I'm talking only about unit digit here. So 10 plus carry 1 is there, 11. So take the 11 and the 1 and the carry 1 will be carried forward. Now what will you do with 7 and 24? So this 7 plus 24, 21 will be carried over here. So that is 14 plus 7 is 21 and 21 plus 6 is 27 and 27 plus 1 is 28, carry 2. What next? This 21 is there, will come as it is, but carry 2 is there. So therefore 21 plus 2 and it comes 23. It comes 23. Hope you are understanding it, right? Even any confusion. So I took the two numbers over here so that from here all the confusion will be eliminated. Let's come over here. If I have to find out the 42 cube, what I will do? There are 4 numbers should come for any 2-digit cube, and we don't need the cube more than 2 digit. We don't need the cube of more than 2 digit for the exam point of view. So here 4 cube. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64. So that is my first number. And this is 2. So what is 2 cube? 8. That's my last number. 8. And in between we need to generate the number. And that number should be in the ratio of the 10 digit and unit digit. That is 4 is to 2, which is nothing but 2 is to 1. So if 64 is 2 part, then 1 part is 32. So again, When 32 is 2 part, then 1 part will be 16. That's done. Now what you do is simply you add the number here. But before that you need to double the number which you have generated. So you have generated 32 and 16. You double this number. Then it's 64 and 32. Now add this. That's 8. And then 6 plus 2. I'm adding only unit digit here. 6 plus 2. That's 8. Then what should I do with 1 plus 3? 4. That should be carried over here. So 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. Next, what we do with this 3 and 6? That 9. The 9 will be carried over here. So that's a 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Carry 1. And the 6 plus 1, 7. That's over. That's 42 square. The same way, how do we find out the 16 square? Let's find out the 16 square over here. 16 cube. So I should have the 4 digits over here. The first number is 1 cube and the last number is this 6 cube and the 6 cube is 216. Now, these two number, the middle two number we need to generate. And what is the base for generating this number? So this 10 digit and unit digit ratio 1:6. So if this is one part, the next number should be 6. And if this is one part, the next number should be 6 times, that is 36. Now, what is the job left? The number which we generate, we double the number. Like 6, we have generated it. 6 double is 12. 36 we have generated it. Double this number, that 36 double is 72. Now we start adding the number. So here it's 6. Unit is it only. This 21 will be carried forward for this. So 21 plus 6 is 27. 21 plus 6, 27. And 27 plus 2 is 29. Carry 2. Next that is 3 plus 7 is 10. And this 10 will be carried over here. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. And 18 plus 2 is 20. Carry 2. The next this 1 will be carried over here. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. That's how we find the cube of any 2-digit number. You pick up some number and try this. And you can see that in the exams we get the questions like this where directly you are asked to find out the cube. Can you answer it? Now we can answer it. Look at this one. 73 cube they asked. 73 cube. How do I get the 73 cube? So there should be 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number is there. So whoever is there on the board, please respond. So I am also doing along with you. The first number will be 7 cube and the 7 cube is 343. The next number will be 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. And we need to generate the two numbers here. We need to generate the two numbers here. And what is the base of that number? That number should be in 7:3 ratio. 10 digit to unit digit. So when 7 part is 343, what will be 3 parts? So divide this 343 by 7. You will be getting 49. And this 49 into 3. 3 9 is 27, carry 2. And 3 4 is 12. And 12 plus 2 is 14. We got this. And one more number is there here. That is what I need to work out by using the same ratio. 7:3. So when I divide this 147 by 7, then I get this as 21. And the 21 into 3, how much is that? 63. So write down the 63 over here. And after that, we will double the number. So here, that's it's 7, 14, carry 1, and that's 29. What is the double of this number? That is 6 and 12. Now I need to add up these numbers. That's your answer. Now here I notice that this is 7 and this is 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, carry 1. Next, by this time you know what to do, that 6 plus 12 is 18 and 18 plus 7 is 25 and the 25 plus 4 is 29 and carry 1 is there. So 29 plus 1 is 30, carry 3. Then what we do with this 14 and 29? That will be carry forward. So the 14 plus 29, the 14, 34 and 43 and 43 plus 3 is 46. 46 plus 3 is 49, carry 4. And what next? So 40, this 34 will come as it is, but carry 4 is there. So 34 plus 4 is 38. That's how I can answer. And this is my final result. That's 38, 90, 70. Is there anywhere answer is there? 38, 90, 17. So option D. That's how we directly get the questions in exams, finding out the cube of a number. And I will share in due course, I will share many of the examples in the recent conducted examination where we have to find out the cubes of the smaller numbers like 17 cube, 23 cube, 31 cube and so on and so forth. Okay, so moving forward, I just wanted to share a couple of people who have in the past achieved and they are working in a different bank as a managers and different positions. Okay, now I am going to start a new batch. Let me share the information that I am associated with Unacademy. I am associated with Unacademy. It's a wonderful platform. I will tell you why. So we are going. I am going to start a new batch in Unacademy for IBPS, PO, and clerk, and that even will cover the SBI clerk mean and the SBI PO also, because all this examination has almost the same pattern. So the new batch will be on 11th of August. New batch will be on 11th of August. That's on Wednesday. So please enroll for the batch. One batch is in the morning, that's 10 to 11:30 a.m. 1.5 hour we will learn the complete basic. 1 hour 30 minutes we will learn the complete basic. And evening we will have a practice batch, because bank exam is something, if you are not doing the different questions practice, you cannot increase the speed in the exam. So therefore the practice is very, very important. So we together will practice from 7:30 to 8:30. So I request you to please enroll the batch. Okay. Now when we talk about the Unacademy, you will find that there are so many people are there. Sometimes I also wanted to convey the students that why you should join Unacademy. There are so many people are there where the batches are keep launching. Not a single people, and here from the all over the country the people teach from their home. So you can choose your faculty from the platform. So once you join, you can attend any number of classes or any number of faculties classes. Okay, so like that one of the batch, this is on 11th of August, as I'm also launching the 11th of August. The same way there are other people's also launching the 11th of August. You can attend their class, you can attend her class, you can attend his class, you can attend his class, you can also attend my class. So like that there are so many people, you can attend these people's class who are conducting their own batches. So multiple batches will be there. So 11th August, it's a very, very valuable. You will get so many new courses on this batch. You can see that there is another batch is there where people are starting on 11th. So there are multiple faculty from all over the country. So I just wanted to share one information with you. And what is that information? You may say that. So the answer to their question, why should I join an academy, or why should I recommend my friends or relative for an academy? So there is a reason here. You can see that there are best coaching because they select the faculties from all over the country, the best faculties. And the facility is that the faculty are teaching from their home. So therefore, the best of the best faculties are joining in Unacademy, are there in Unacademy. And you are getting the multiple faculties, as I shown you, that there are so many people launching the new batch on 11th. So that is the case, very, very unique in Unacademy. You don't get this kind of things in any other online platform. And the largest number of faculty in a single platform. That's what I was keep saying. That in a single platform, you don't get so many faculties where you can choose your faculty. And other thing is unlimited access for the live classes. It's not that if you have joined, you can attend only my class, or you can join only XYZ faculty's class. So you can attend any number of classes and any number of people's classes. That's I found is not there anywhere. And even if you miss class, there will be an recorded classes. Recording of the classes will be there, so you can attend those classes, and then uh, don't miss any fundamental if you are attending the basic class. So that facility is also there. And apart from that, there is live quiz. So many of an academy student is there, those who are attending my class. You can ask that, do I give the live quiz in the class? Yes, for every question I give the quiz, and then I will see that who is the fastest person who answered correctly, kind of thing. Along with the doubt clarification and the mock test is the additional strength of the Unacademy. So I strongly recommend. I strongly recommend. And one of the other part is the lowest fees in the market. Then you can see that the 7,000 plus and kind of thing is there. For even for 2 years of coaching, 2 years of coaching. On top of that, if you are using this, what I say is a referral code. Look at this one. This Narendra07 referral code is there. So if you use this referral code Narendra07, all letters should be small. Narendra, Narendra07. You will be getting a 10% discount on the whole course fees. On the top of that, if you have any doubt further, you please do not hesitate to call me to find out about Unacademy, right? So I'm moving forward here. How to find out the cube root of the number? How to find out the cube root of the number? We face the problem over here. We face the problem over here. Now let's move on. But before that, I would like to remind you, please subscribe the channel, so that any thing I post, you will get the information. So just reminder, bell button. So push that, and the very first thing is please subscribe. Okay, my friends, coming to the cube root. Cube root. I'm sure you will learn something in this class. Even it's a hardly for half an hour class. So how do I find out the cube root of this number? You will say, Mr. Narendra, I know that this is 12 cube. I know, because I mugged up to 15 cube. In the class, you always say that mug up to 20 cube we have mugged up. I know this is 12 cube. Okay, suppose if I don't know, how do I do it? Look at this one. So from left hand side, you take the 3 digits as one set, and here up to 3 digits you can take another set. So this number will fix my first number. And this 1 is equal to 1 cube. So my first number is 1. Okay. And what is my second number? The second number will be decided by the last digit. By the last digit. So here 8. Please see that in how many cases you get the 8. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, up to 9 cube. All the digits cube I wrote here. So up to what you get that, in which case you get the 8 cube. 8 as a unit digit in case of 2. So obviously my last number has to be 2. You may ask, what if this number is 7? How do I get the approximation? So please join Unacademy. There we will discuss all these things in detail. Okay, my friends? Okay. Now coming over here. If I have to find out this one, I don't know which number cube is that. You don't know. But within no time you will come to know now. Look at this one. This is cube. Take the 3 digits one set, and up to 3 digits you can take another set. Now this first number will have the 2 digit in my answer figure. Now the first digit will be decided by the first set of the number, that is 17. So it's greater than 2 cube, less than 3 cube. This number is greater than 2 cube, less than 3 cube. So my first number should be 2. First number should be 2. And what about the last number? How did I choose the last number here? By using 8. 8 is 2 cube. The similar way, the 6. When do I get the 6? When I have 6, then only I get the 6. Look at this one here. There is the only case. So it's 26. That's all. That's all. Now you may say that, Narendra, what if this is 5? So you are saying approximation. So we will learn that in the regular class. Right? So please do join the regular classes. I'm sure you will answer this. I'm sure my friends, whoever is watching now, will answer this question. Before I answer it, look at this one. This is one set and this is another set. This greater than 2 cube, less than 3 cube. So my first number is 2. And when do I get 3 here? I get 3 here, you can check that. It is only case when it's 7 cube. So this number is 7. Okay, that's great. That's great. Wonderful response. So now I can see that this is one pair and this is another pair. There's another pair. So how do we do it? So here again, this is greater than 1 cube. So my first number is 1. This 6 is greater than 1 cube. So my first number is 1. Greater than 1 cube and less than 2 cube. Less than 2 cube. Therefore my first number is 1. And the last one will be decided by only this unit digit. And in which case you get that? Last digit 9. In case of 9. So write down 9 over here. That's all. Now, the next time when we meet in our regular class in Unacademy, then I will tell you 7, 9, 8, 3, 4, 6, 4, some number I will take which is not there, 5. So that's an approximation. This is a 3 digit and it's an approximation. So how to find it out? So we will discuss in our regular class of Unacademy. Okay. So this is all. So do we get this? Kya exam mein aate? So look at this one. IBPS Specialist 2013. Come on. Let's answer this question now. So we know that this part is very simple. We know. What is that? That's 4 cube. But what is numerator? So look at this one. This is 1 and this is another pair. And this 4 is greater than 1 cube. So 1. And when I get this 6, so when this is 6, that's over. Right? So this is nothing but 16. So here it is 16. And which is equal to the cube root of something. Cube root of x. So what I am getting over here? I am getting over here as 4. So what is the x? The x is equal to 4 cube. And 4 cube is nothing but 64. Hope my friends are understanding it. Okay. Let's is this the only question? क्या एक बार कभी आ गया था question? नहीं, we frequently get the questions like this in the exam. Now, if you don't know how to find out, look at this one. SBI Clerk 2014. Now, if you don't know how to find the cube root of this number, you will get stuck here. But after attending this class, you will never ever stuck. How do I find out? So this 13 is greater than 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So my first number is 2. When do you get the 4 over here? 2 cube? No. 3 cube? No. 4 cube is 64. Yes, it's 4. It's over. Now with 24 you will cancel this number. So let's the cube part. So for the cube part is there. That was if they would have been given the question like 24 into square root of question mark, which is equal to 864. Everyone will do it within no time. But many people will not be able to find out the cube root of this number. That is where your skill comes. Chali. Now I will cancel this one, and here it's will it go for 4 times? No, it goes for 3 times. And 74 into 3 is 72, 24 into 3 is 72. I get this as 4 and 1 and 4, and I see that it goes 6 times. That's right. So I need the square root of the number. So you from here you know that you need to square over here and you need to square over here. And in my previous class I explained you how to find the square root of any 2-digit number. So 36 square, that 6 square is 36 carry 3, and 3 into 6 is 18. 18 double is 36, and 36 plus 3 is 39, carry 3, and 3 square is 9, and the 9 plus 3 is 12. So I get 1296 as a value of x. 1296 here. That makes your more easy question when it comes a cube root. So please know the cube root, do some practice and all. And here I will conclude. Tomorrow again we will meet at 12 p.m. and at least 30 minutes we will discuss something which will be very useful for your bank exams. Okay, my friends. So to know, get all the information, subscribe the channel Narendra Matta. And as I said, I am going to start the new batch in Unacademy on 11th, day after tomorrow. So please enroll for that batch. And thank you for watching.